Hi guys, this is Michael from Apple 45033 here, and today I got a new computer. It has Windows 8 on it. It's Asus, 4GB memory, 500GB storage. So I got this from Best Buy, and this is the virus I get for free, 6 months for free. So this is a computer, side, other side, this side, and yeah. So let's tear the manufacturer's shield, the sticker. I'm pretty sure I don't. Okay, just a sec, guys. Alright. Okay, now it's open. Okay, now we see the computer right here. Okay, so let's take it out. Sorry for the messy layout, I'm sorry. Okay, so here is the computer. Let's put it in the side, and let's see what's inside. This is a cardboard. Okay, so you have this with you. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is a warranty card. This is the Windows 8 user guide. This is the innovation thing. So, what else is in there? Okay, so this is the cable, I believe, for charging. The other part of the cable, I believe. Okay, and then this is the power thing. Of course, it's gonna have to come with that. Okay, so here's the computer. Let's take it out of the plastic casing. Wow, and it smells really good. Okay, here's the computer. Let's put this box in the side, and I want to show you the computer. Okay, so let's open it. Here we see this thing and this. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.